In today's video, we're constructing a 120-degree angle. So we're going to use our T-square to draw the baseline AB. Then we're going to measure the length of the line AB. So we're going to use our ruler and pencil to measure 9 centimeters. So we'll mark the 0 point, we mark the 9 centimeters. Then we're going to label A, capital A, and capital B. Alright, the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to construct a 120-degree angle at A using our compass. So the first thing we need to do, we need to draw a construction line to the left of A using our T-square and pencil, or you can use your ruler and your pencil. Alright, we're going to open our compass to about 2 centimeters, but any radius will work. We're going to mark an arc to the left of A. Then where the arc intersects the baseline, we're going to mark an arc using the same radius that we used to draw the first arc. Where the two arcs intersect, we draw a line from A going through the intersection. Then we're going to darken the line for the 120 degrees, which is actually AC. So we use our ruler and our pencil to darken the line. We're going to label this point C. And we're going to label the angle here 120 degrees. Alright? So we're going to label the drawing now. So parallel lines with our T-square and pencil about 4 millimeters apart. So we're going to label to construct an angle of 120 degrees. Good job if you followed along.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.